condenser coil fins that are all rusty and clogged up can totally mess with your air conditioner's airflow and make it run like garbage. So, first off, you gotta check your condenser coil fins regularly, especially if your AC has been running hard all summer. If you spot some rust or dirt gunking them up, don't just ignore it. Grab a soft brush or a fin comb to gently clean and straighten those fins so air can flow freely again. If the rust is super bad and fins are bent beyond fixing, swapping out that part might be your only choice. Also, keep the area around your outdoor unit clear of leaves, grass, and debris because that stuff blocks airflow and makes the whole system work harder. When you clean, always turn off the power to avoid any shocks or damage, you know? Using a coil cleaner spray designed for AC units can help loosen stubborn grime without hurting the fins. And don't forget, a well-maintained condenser coil saves energy and keeps your home cooler without breaking the bank on repair bills later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser coil fins is ignoring rust and buildup until it causes major airflow problems, which leads to higher energy bills and poor cooling. Fix this by checking your unit every few months and cleaning it up before things get ugly. Another common issue is bending the fins while trying to clean them, which actually blocks air more. Using a proper fin comb and being gentle fixes this easily. Lastly, many folks forget to clear the space around their outdoor condenser unit, so dirt and plants choke airflow. Keeping a good 2-foot clearance around the unit is an easy way to avoid this problem. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. Plus, for contractors, it's a solid spot to get more work and grow their business by reaching people who really need their skills.